everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. I'm very happy to share today's recipe with all of you because it has been a request from one of our subscribers who has been consistently commenting and asking and requesting for this recipe. Today we're going to make a delicious cooker pasta. I hope you all will enjoy, and if you have any interesting recipes you want me to make for you guys, do share in the comment section and I will definitely try and make it for you. So let's get started and check it out. To the pressure cooker, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil and 4 small cubes of butter. Once the butter melts, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Garlic gives a lot of flavor to your pasta, so make sure not to avoid the garlic. Next, add about 3 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. Maintain the flame on medium-low. So we don't need to brown the onions. After about 2 minutes, I'm just going to add all the other vegetables. Starting with 1 small green capsicum cut into pieces, 1 small red bell pepper cut into small pieces, and 1 cup of sweet corn. This is uncooked sweet corn. Since we're making the pasta in the pressure cooker, I'm adding the corn raw. Wow, just look at that, it already looks so colorful. If you don't have the capsicum and corn, don't worry about it. You can make the pasta without them. My favorite and fond memory of pasta is actually my school days. So my mother used to pack pasta for me at least twice a week. Sometimes I would grumble and I would say, "Ma, why are you always making pasta for me?" But I would take it to school and I would sit during my lunchtime and share it with all my friends. So I would say those were some of the best days, and that memory is very, very fond to me. Let me know what is your fond memory of pasta in the comment section below. Next, I'm adding the puree of 4 large ripe tomatoes. Mix the puree along with the vegetables. So next, we're going to add all the seasoning, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Just mix it along with the veggies. You can increase the flame to a medium-high. So after 5 minutes, the raw smell has gone. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. The tomato ketchup is going to balance the flavors of this masala mixture. Now you can see this masala has come together beautifully. Now I'm going to add the pasta shells. So for this recipe, I've taken 2 cups of penne pasta. Let me know what is your favorite pasta shape. You like penne, macaroni or fusilli? Well, for me it's between penne and macaroni. I'm not able to decide. But yeah, for this recipe I'm using penne. Let me know in the comment section below. So gently mix that in. So it may seem like there's a lot of masala, but once the pasta cooks, it's going to absorb all those flavors and it will need that much of masala, that is the onion and tomato masala. So you don't want it to be too less. That way the flavors will be well balanced. So you can see it's all well coated. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs. This is very easily available for you in the supermarkets. You get this everywhere now. And for that extra flavor, I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of oregano. Finishing off with just about 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Give that a nice mix. For 2 cups of pasta shells, I'm adding 2 cups of water. Keeping the flame on medium-high, close the pressure cooker, place the weight and pressure cook for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, turn off the stove and wait till the pressure releases. I'm opening the cooker after 10 minutes. Wow, just look at that pasta. It's cooked to perfection, and look at all the beautiful sauce. It's absorbed all those flavors and it's so juicy and so delicious. Make sure to enjoy this delicious pasta nice and hot. I've made several pasta recipes earlier. I'll give you all the links in the description. Do check them out. This quantity of pasta is good for about 4 to 5 adults. Well, it's time to enjoy this pressure cooker pasta. Wow. Like I said, pasta has absorbed all those beautiful flavors. It's so juicy. It's very, very tasty. Well, nobody will know that you made this in the pressure cooker. It's that good. Incredibly tasty. Don't miss it on this, guys. You must try it. And let me know how it turned out for you guys, okay? Well, this is a great one-pot dish and it's super easy to make, and it's also perfect for your kids' lunchbox. I'm sure they'll enjoy it and they're not going to complain about lunch and it's going to come back empty. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.